Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to capitalize letters in Excel. We will see two simple examples. First, how to capitalize only the first letter, and second, how to make all the letters uppercase. So let's get started. Here I have a list of names, but everything in lowercase. Now I want to fix this and make the first letter uppercase. So I will click in the next column and type this formula, equal proper A1. Press enter, and now you can see the first letter is uppercase and the rest looks correct. To apply this to other cells, just drag down. And that's it. Excel fixes all names automatically. Now let's say you want to everything uppercase, for example, codes or names. I use this formula, equal upper A1. Press enter. Now everything is in capital letters. Again, just drag it down to apply to the other rows. Very simple. And a quick tip, if you want to everything in lowercase, you can use equal lower A1. So these are three simple ways to change text in Excel. Proper to the first letters, upper for the all caps, and lower for lowercase. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.